National Payments Corporation of India is an umbrella organization for all retail payments in India, with the mission to touch every Indian with one or the other payment services. NPCI has ushered in a sea of change in the payments landscape in the country. Since inception, NPCI has achieved several milestones of innovation through product developments. National Financial Switch, enabling cardholders to transact at ATMs across the nation. Immediate payment service, enabling real-time round-the-clock fund transfers. Check truncation system, enabling faster clearance of checks through electronic truncation via image transfers. RuPay, the card scheme which offers a domestic, open-loop, multilateral system which allows banking and financial institutions to participate in electronic payments. National Automated Clearing House, enabling banks, financial institutions, corporate and government to facilitate interbank, high-volume electronic transactions which are repetitive and periodic in nature. Aadhaar Payment Bridge System, helping the government and government agencies in making the direct benefit transfer scheme a success. RuPay Ecom, to provide e-commerce transaction capabilities to domestic customers. Aadhaar-enabled payment system, enabling extended banking services through Aadhaar via micro ATMs. RuPay Platinum, an upgrade for debit customers offering several benefits including cashbacks and insurance. Star 99 Hash, a USSD-based mobile banking service for all mobile phones. RuPay International, enabled usage of the domestic scheme internationally at all Discover and Diners point of sale and ATM networks. Unified Payments Interface, a one-stop solution for interoperable digital payment needs. Bharat Interface for Money, a UPI-based mobile banking app for every Indian. National Electronic Toll Collection, enabling customers to pay tolls electronically without stopping at toll plazas. Launched RuPay with EMV. NFS, interoperable cash deposit services for banks, enabling their customers ease in depositing cash. RuPay Credit was built on the existing RuPay platform and it enabled banks to provide value-added services in a cost-effective manner. The RuPay Contactless is built to digitize low-volume payments and offer one card for all payments, including travel by different metros and buses, toll, parking and smart cities, besides retail shopping and purchases. Bharat Bill Pay, enabling one-stop bill payments of all categories on digital and physical enabled channels. Bheem Aadhaar, enabling merchant payments through Aadhaar. Bharat QR, created by 4 payment networks to drive interoperability among QR-based payment products of different networks. UPI 2.0 enabled newer features to enhance customer and merchant experience with overdraft facility, one-time mandate, invoice in the inbox and signed intent and QR. RuPay launched the RuPay Contactless Debit Card under NCMC program at Delhi Metro, enabling customers to use the RuPay Contactless Card for transit payments and for retail purchases as well. Upgraded Bheem 2.0 include a donation gateway, increased transaction limits, linking multiple bank accounts, offers from merchants applying in IPO and gifting money. Pi, AI virtual assistant available round the clock, helping customers with accurate information in English and Hindi via text or voice on the website of NPCI, RuPay and UPI Chalega. Nth Rewards, in the largest multi-brand loyalty platform to engage and retain bank customers by easy earning and instant redemption of reward points on maximum purchasing options. NPCI International is building acceptance network for RuPay and UPI abroad. This will help Indian travelers pay with these payment channels in the country of travel. NPCI has built one-of-a-kind, world-class payment ecosystem that is affordable and accessible for every customer segment and every payment need. We believe in building products for every Indian. NPCI has its products designed for each segment. NPCI, recently registered in Limca Book of Records for conducting the 120 e-payment literacy camps on the World Literacy Day. NPCI's RuPay won the Scotch Award for Financial Inclusion. NPCI won the Policy Change Agent of the Year Award by Economic Times. NPCI's UPI won the Golden Peacock Innovative Product Awards for Business Excellence and Innovation. And NPCI's Bheem UPI and RuPay won the AFAC's Busiest Brands Award under the banking category. NPCI is paving the way towards a less cash society by providing secure, instant, convenient and affordable payment solutions for all Indians.